So we're going to give you a look right now in a room in Atlantis The Palm. It's gonna be a little bit GoPro POV style, so you can have the feeling that you're there yourself. Here you have kind of like a hallway, and then you follow that hallway and boom, you come into the bed. Natasha, test out the bed, do a little jump. See if it's 1, 2, 3, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And? Good?
It's very good.
Alright, so yes, up you can watch some TV from your bed. You have this little TV thing here. Then I kind of like a desk, you know, to do some laptop work. And then this maybe makes me a little bit of a nerd, but you know, I am a videographer, so we're always a big fan of cables. So, ooh, like look at that, I got some USBs and HDMI. But wait, listen to this, guys. And just one more time, one more time. That is so satisfying. That's really the sound of being rich, I think. So Natasha is enjoying the view here. We'll show you the view in a little second. But first, Natasha, can you show my favorite? It's my favorite part of the room. I don't know if it's yours as well, but what's behind the door there? Alright, that's a pretty nice bot. Are you gonna enjoy some little bot later, Natasha, or?
Yes. Today I'm going to do it with you.
Yes. Well, I hope so. Yeah, I don't know who else you want to be in a bot with, so I hope it's gonna be with me. So yeah, but this is pretty cool. For example, your little girl can be in the bot there. You can be chilling on the bed while watching her, having a talk, watching the view. Maybe you don't want to talk with her and you want to watch TV, then that's also there. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool. And I'll just show you a little bit more of the bathroom, why not, right? So we walk back into the hallway. What's up, GoPro Jona? Alright, boom, straight into the bathroom. Here we also actually have a shower, if you're more into showers. Here we have, you know, just a toilet and a bidet, if you're into that. Not really my thing, but you know, if you like it, I don't judge. Then again, another big mirror, you know, to dress nice and sharp when you want to go down to the restaurant or something, or just explore a little bit more of the hotel. And then, as I already said, my favorite part of the room, this bathtub here, just looking over the view like an open concept. Yeah, this is, I don't know, what do you think of it, Natasha, in general? How much out of 10?
9 and 5.5.
What does the place need to do to get the 0.5 more? Because for me it's a 10. I mean, I don't know what you're used to, but for me this is kind of a 10. Like, yeah, there are probably nicer places like the suite here, but you know, you always gotta never forget where you came from and enjoy the things that you can do. For example, right now I'm really happy to experience something like this, something new, let's say. So for me it's a 10 out of 10.
Yes, I agree, 10.
Alright, 10. So here we have the view over the pool. They're actually now building something. They're gonna have a New Year's concert here of Kiss. That would be probably pretty awesome to join. Not gonna be here anymore, sadly. But yeah, that's why it's a bit under construction right now. We're at the 9th floor, so you can see quite decently. What do you think, Natasha?
It's perfect. Thank you, Candy.
I already have to say that it's totally worth it. I'm gonna show you much more of the hotel, which is actually way more cool than the room, but that's already a pretty great start. So see you later.